So for everybody who is not aware of what I'm currently doing with FTMO is I'm actually creating a series for YouTube. So what am I going to be doing in this series? I'm going to be taking trades, explaining trades. I'm going to go over a whole bunch of stuff, take you on a little journey, passing the challenge, passing the verification, and then getting the account, and then trading on the account, and then actually, waiting the whole entire month because you can only do 1 month, one withdrawal a month. And then after I get the withdrawal, get it straight to the bank, and then bam, withdraw, put it cash in your face. So I'm going to do a whole series on that, man. So the first episode is actually almost being done edited. So for those who don't know, now you know. Episode is dropping tomorrow morning. I was going to say tonight, but you know what? Tomorrow morning. Oh no, I stole Raul's car while he was paying. He just got the car back. He didn't even get to drive it yet. He's going to be so pissed.